Hello dear students, very good morning to you all. In today's lab I teach you 10th experiment from part B. That means in today's lab also you are going to develop one software, that means the program in which you are going to perform some string operations. That means which software you are going to develop today, do you know? That one I explain to you first. Whenever we run the developed software, we are going to get one menu on the screen. That means whenever we run the software, we get this menu. In the menu, different choices will be there. We have here 4 choices. One helps us to, if you select the first choice, enter your choice as 1, we are able to find length of a string. That means how many characters are there within the given string. Second, the choice is to compare 2 strings for their similarity, whether the entered 2 strings are same or not same. Third choice helps us to join 2 strings as a single string. Joining strings is also called as concatenate strings in computer terminology. If you choose the 4th choice, software ends, program completes. This is software you need to develop in today's lab. That means you are the programmer now. You are the software developer. In this lab, you are going to develop a software. Whenever you run that software, you get this message. Means we are going to get this menu. 1 is for find length of a string. 2 is for compare strings. 3 is for concatenate strings. 4 is for exit. Then software is asking you to enter your choice. As your wish, choose any one of the 4. I entered my first choice as 1. This is what the input given by me. I have given the input as 1. Then that software is asking me, can you enter a string? You can enter your name, city name, or any word you enter. We get how many characters are there. The length of the string is 3 as per the given input. Again we get the menu once again back. Again I choose the choice as 2. Compare strings. That's why that software is asking you to enter 2 strings. I entered 2 strings. Both are same. That's why I'm getting the output as strings are same. Again I get the same menu. Again I choose the second choice only. Purposely I entered 2 different words. Strings are not same. That output I am getting from the developed software. Again I get the menu. I enter 3. 3 is for concatenate strings. You need to enter 2 words so that that program or software can join both the words as a single word. I entered first word as VTU, second as Belgavi. Now that software has joined the words and it has become single string VTU Belgavi. If I enter the choice as 4, program completes. This software you have to develop. Now see the objective given by the experiment VTU. What they told us, write functions to implement string operations. Means to find the length of a string you write on separate user defined function. To concatenate strings means to join first string to a second string you have to write on separate user defined function. And to compare the strings also you write separate user defined function. Call all the 3 in the main program. Here our main program starts. Here our main program completes. If the choice is 1, I am calling first function. If the choice is 2, I am calling the string comparison user defined function. If the choice is 3, I call string concatenate. If the choice is 4, program ends. Exit function I am using. It is available in stdlib.h. Now this program is really very easy. Only lengthy code is there. Try to understand my explanation and logic. Change the code, but you need to get the same output. I explain you slowly. First I explain the program for you. First of all we need 2 string variables max. We need how many string variables? 2. String 1 and string 2. And result we need and choice we need. While into bracket 1 has been used here. This is infinite loop. 1 is always true. Here the while starts and here the while completes. There is no end for while. Then how it completes? Whenever you choose the 4th choice, no exit works. As you know already, exit is available in stdlib.h. Program stops for the first time. That's why 0 has been written. That is what exit. This is one of the infinite loop while. Every time menu displays back till you choose the exit option. I hope you understood. Okay. Next we get the menu. Cursor moves to next line. Menu. Cursor moves to next line. 1 for find length of a string. 2 is for compare strings. Cursor moves to next line. Concatenate strings. Cursor moves to next line. Exit. Because of this printf only we are getting this menu on the screen. Cursor comes down, menu. Cursor comes down, this like this. Enter your choice is also printf. See here, enter your choice. Machine is waiting. If you enter your choice as 1, that one we are passing to switch here. Here switch started and switch completed here. We have 4 choices. 1 is for finding length, 2 is for compare, 3rd choice is for join, 4th is for exit. If you enter other than 1, 2, 3, 4, we get invalid choice. Break you may use or you may not, switch completes. No problem at all. Assume that you have chosen first choice. Enter the string. I enter VTU. The length of the string is %d. I am calling string length, come here, take VTU and give me the length. This VTU will be passed to string length here. This is user defined function. Here VTU will come. Because of this code we are able to find the length of it. That one we return. Whatever it returns, that one we are printing here. Length of the string is VTU. If you choose your choice as second, we are reading 2 strings, VTU and VTU. Once again we are calling string compare, come here, take both the words and tell me whether both are same or not. If both are same, it returns 0. If both are dissimilar, it returns non-zero. Means it is having 0 means strings are same, otherwise not same. Here str1 will be transmitted to here, str1, str2 will be transmitted here. Because of this code we return 0 here if both are same. If both are dissimilar, we return non-zero. How it works I explain, no, don't worry. How the first works, how the second works, how the third works I explain, don't worry. Next, if you choose the third one, we read the first word as VTU, example, second one as Belgami. I pass to string concatenate. It takes, it joins, it prints, it will not return any value. Categories of functions I taught you. Okay, very good. And string cat is here. It takes 2 words, it joins the second with the first, it will print it. That's all. Then the switch completes and file completes, program completes. Up to now I explained the main program. Now I explain you all the functions one by one. It's not compulsory that write this code only to find length of a string. If you have any other logic, you can implement it. Just I explain the same thing, whatever I have written. Assume that I am giving VTU here. VTU will be there in str till we get the null value. Str of 0 is not equals to null, yeah. V is not equals to null, yeah. T is not equals to null, yeah. U not equals to null, yeah. Null is not equals to null, no, stop. Count is how much? 3. Return 3. First time count is also 0, I is also 0. We are checking character by character. V is not equals to null, yeah. T not equals to null, yeah. U not equals to null, yeah. Then file completes, return 3. This is how to find length of a string. Like this function works. Next I explain. Assume that the entered 2 words are VTU and VTU. It is also very simple. Till we get the null value in the first string or second string, we compare both. First one str1 of 0 is also V. str2 of 0 is also V. str1 of 0 not equals to null, yeah. This V not equals to null, yeah. Whether both are dissimilar, no, both are same. Whether T not equals to null, yeah. T not equals to null, yeah. Both are dissimilar, no. Not equals to null, no. Not equals to null, no. Both are dissimilar, no. Null appears. Not equals to null, equals to null. Stop. While completes. We subtract the index of null value minus index of null value. Definitely 0 will be there. Returns 0. At what time it returns 0? If both the strings are same. Then we display the message strings are same. Assume that entered 2 words are VTU and BTU. In the beginning only what happens do you know? Here str1 of 0. See, V is not equals to null, yeah. Capital B is not equals to null, yeah. Whether V not equals to B, yeah. It returns the difference of ASCII value. ASCII of capital V minus ASCII of B. Already I taught you. ASCII value of capital A is 65. 65 to 90. 97 to 122. Difference we get non-zero. It returns directly. whether this is equals to 0? No, strings are not same. Last one is already I explained the separate program for you. How to join? Here I enter VTU, here I enter VTU, here I enter Belgavi. You have to, where the VTU will be there? In str1 of 0, str1 of 1, str1 of 2. In str1 of 3, you have to store B. First find, you have to move the cursor. Now what I do, if you want to join Belgavi to VTU, take the cursor here. How to take the cursor here? See here, I equals 0, str1 of 0. V not equals to null? Yeah. T not equals to null? Yeah. U not equals to null? Yeah. I plus plus. 0, 1, 2, 3. I is 3 now. 3 is not equals to null? No. Stop. Means we have moved the cursor up to third index of the first one. Now what I do, this helps us to move the cursor to the end of the first string. Now what I do, j equals to 0, str1 of 3, str1 of 3 means here, equals to str2 of 0, that means B, I plus plus, j plus plus, both are incrementing. Then Belgavi, E we store, we are taking the second character from string 2, we store here. Next Belgavi, GAVI, means character by character we copied from string 2 to string 1 till null value comes in the second string. That's why str2 of 0 of not equals to 0. Then we store the null value by our own here. Like this we have joined it. If you are not able to understand this logic, the separate videos are there, you can watch it, no problem at all. I hope you understood. Very good. Means it helps us to find the length of a string, it helps us to compare strings, it helps us to concatenate. One more most commonly made mistakes by students in lab examination. Here I used underscore, string underscore length. It's not compulsory. You can write continuously also. Don't type minus here. That is wrong. Underscore. Like this one is string underscore compare, string underscore concatenate. If you are familiar, you can use it. Otherwise, leave it. While calling also string underscore length, while calling string underscore compare, while calling string underscore cat has been used. This is very simple program and very easy. Please watch the video again and again if you won't understand. If you have any doubts, please ask me questions. I am ready to help you. All teachers are ready to help you. Please ask questions to all the teachers. Every teacher will help you. I hope you understood. In observation notebook or in journal, first note down the experiment, then on ruled pages write the program, then in the new page write all possible outputs. These many outputs you have to write. In the next video I explain the 13th lab program. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Quit talking. Begin doing. Learn us today, lead us tomorrow. Okay. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care.